Hello!
Hi,
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Did you do the homework?
Not all of it. You?
Same, it was tough.
Totally. What's next class?
Science, got your notebook?
Yep, let's hurry.
Alright, let's go.
Do you think we'll have a quiz?
Maybe Mrs. Taylor loves surprise quizzes.
I hope not. I didn't study much.
Don't worry, it'll be fine. Just pay attention.
Yeah, fingers crossed. Ready?
Always, let's head in.
Look, there's an empty seat near the window.
Perfect, let's sit there.
Did you bring your science project?
Of course, what about you?
Yep, but I'm nervous about presenting.
Don't worry, you'll do great. Just be confident.
Thanks. You always know what to say.
That's what friends are for. Alright, class is starting.
Here we go. Wish me luck.
You've got this. Just take your time.
Whispers. Should I go?
Yes, before you overthink it.
Raises hand. I'll go first.
Whispers, go crush it.
Smiles nervously. Thanks. Phew, that wasn't as bad as I thought.
I told you, you nailed it.
Thanks for the pep talk. Your turn now.
No problem. Watch and learn.
Grinning. I'm sure you'll do awesome.
Taking a deep breath, okay. Here we go. Done. That was nerve-wracking.
You were great. You didn't even seem nervous.
It's the nerves before that always get me.
You definitely hid them well.
Phew, glad that's over.
Me too. Let's just focus on surviving the rest of the day.
Definitely, what's after this class?
History. I hope it's not another long lecture.
Me too, I can barely stay awake in there.
Same. Did you bring snacks?
Of course, I've got chips. Want some later?
Yes, please. You're a lifesaver.
Of course, I've got chips. Want some later?
Yes, please. You're a lifesaver.
Always, let's pack up, bells about to ring.
All right. Let's meet outside the history room.
Got it, see you there.
Hey, over here.
Found you. Ready for history?
Not really, but let's get it over with.
At least we can sit in the back and share those chips.
Great plan. Just don't crunch too loud.
Deal, let's go before Mr. Collins starts his speech about being late.
Oh, not that again. Hurry up.
Look, it's another PowerPoint.
Called it. Time to zone out.
Or doodle, I'll draw something funny for you.
Perfect. Keep me entertained, please.
Scribbling on a notebook, look at this. It's Mr. Collins as a superhero.
Laughs quietly. That's hilarious. Captain Lecture. Saving us from boredom.
Exactly, his weapon, endless slides.
Snickering. You're too much. Careful though. He's looking this way.
Pretends to take notes, totally focused, sir.
Whispers. Smooth. Now draw me as a villain.
Done, you're snack thief, stealing everyone's food.
Grinning. Guilty as charged. Pass me those chips, by the way.
Hands over chips quietly. Don't let Captain Lecture catch us.
Got it. This is the best part of class.